Okay, assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So let's see the next part for circle, which we are going to find the center and radius. So we have already seen how to find the equation of circle given all of these things. Okay, so the next part is we are going to find the center and radius. That means the equation of circle is given to you. So the method that we are going to use is by using comparison and completing the square. So let's see the first example here. So the question asks to find the center and radius. So that is what we are going to find of the circle here by using method of completing the square. Okay, so this question specifically asks for by using completing the square. That means you have to use that method. Okay, if the question doesn't say anything, so it's up to you. So here we have the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y plus 9 equals to 0. Okay, so what we are going to do first is we are going to rearrange, okay, the x together and the y together. So here we have x square minus 6x plus y square plus 4y plus 9 equals to 0. Okay, in fact, let's just bring the negative 9 on the other side. Okay, so here we have negative 9. So we are going to separate this, okay, this part x square minus 6x and this part here y square plus 4y. So we are going to do completing the square for this part and this part here. So first we have x square minus 6x plus b over 2, which is our b is negative 6 over 2 square. Whatever we do here, we have to subtract that. So negative 6 over 2 square. Okay, so let's see this part here. We have plus y square plus 4y plus 4 over 2 square minus 4 over 2 square equals to negative 9. Okay, so this is the yellow part and this is the blue part. Okay, we still haven't finished, we still haven't factorized our completing the square. It's not complete yet. So what we have to do here is we have x minus b over 2 square. Remember your formula for your completing the square is x minus b over 2 square minus b over 2 square. Okay, plus c, whatever that you have to plus. So here we have x minus b over 2, here is negative 3 square, which is here we have the answer negative 6 over 2 square is 9. So we have minus 9 there, plus y plus 2 square minus 2 square is 4 equals to negative 9. So we are going to rearrange this part here. Okay, the blue part and the yellow part will be on the left hand side. This part here, this part and this part will be on the left hand side, and all of this thing will be on the right hand side. So we are going to rearrange that. We have x minus 3 square plus y plus 2 square equals to negative 9 plus 9, 0, negative 4. We have positive 4. Okay, so as you can see here, we already have our standard equation of the circle. Okay, so this is actually our standard equation of our circle, which is we have x minus h square plus y minus k square equals to r square. So the question asks for the center and the radius. So you know that the center is hk. So now automatically we have the center, which is the center is hk, which is we have 3, negative 2. And the radius here is r square, which is r square is equals to 4, and we have the radius equals to positive negative 2. Yes, but the radius is always negative. That means we have r equals to 2. Okay, so it's very easy actually. Just do your completing the square. Make sure you know how to do your completing the square. Okay, so the next method is we are going to do the comparison. So the same question, find the center and radius of the circle. Let's do comparison here. By comparison, so we have the general equation x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 12y minus 2 equals to 0. Okay, so what are we going to do here is we are going to compare this, the circle given to us, with the general equation that we have, okay, which is the general equation plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. As you can see from here, we automatically have our c, which is equals to negative 2. Okay, so automatically we already have c equals to negative 2. So now let's compare with this one here. We have 2fy and 2y here. So let's compare the blue part, which is we compare 2f is equals to 12, which is we have our f is equals to 6. And the next one here, let's compare this part here with this part here. So that means we have 2g equals to negative 6. We have g equals to negative 3. Okay, so if you want to find the center, we already have our center. So remember, the center for the general equation is equals to negative g, negative f. That means our center is equals to 3 and negative 6. Okay, be careful here. Remember, your center is not negative 3, 6. Okay, center for general equation, you have to put the negative. Okay, but for the radius, okay, radius for the general equation, we cannot just get straight away from the equation. We have to find by using the formula, which is the formula for the radius is equals to square root of g square plus f square minus c. So, okay, we have everything together. We put everything together. We have square root g square. Okay, don't put this one. This is your negative g. Okay, g is negative 3. So we have negative 3 square plus 6 square minus c, which is minus negative 2. And if you calculate this, put everything in your calculator, you should get square root 47. And this is our final answer. Okay, so as you can see, it's actually a little bit easier if you use the comparison, but it depends on the question or which one you think it is easy. So that is all. This is your exit ticket 9 for both of these cases. We have 2 cases. We have already seen the 2 cases from the 3 videos that I gave you, which is we have to find the equation of circle by using this one here, given to us this thing here, and we can find the center and radius by using comparison and completing the square. So here's the exit ticket for today. Okay, you can submit on DC, and that is all. Thank you guys.